shark in the park on a windy day. It's not so windy today, it's a little bit sunny, but we'll pretend it's windy. Here we go. It's a wild, windy day, and a certain small boy is out with his dad and his favourite toy. Oh, I wonder what it can be. Timothy Pope tries looking through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Tim knows that shape, and he knows what to do, and he shouts, "Shark in the park!" Can you shout that too? It isn't a shark that Timothy sees. It's a big black umbrella caught in the breeze. Oh dear. Timothy Pope, look again through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Oh dear me, Tim's got no choice. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" at the top of his voice. I wonder what it can be. Are we ready? What a relief. It isn't a shark. It's a big friendly dog with a big friendly bark. Woof! Timothy Pope has one last look through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. He blows this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Timothy does what he knows he must. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" till he's fit to burst. What do you think it could be? Shall we see? Ready? It isn't a shark that Timothy spied. It's a runaway pram with a baby inside, and it's heading for the pond. Oh no! But Tim's dad runs really fast. He grabs hold of the pram, and the mother says, "Thank you. How grateful I am." "Really," says Tim's dad, "you ought to thank Tim. He spotted your pram, so it's all down to him." Good old Timmy. "That was exciting," says Tim. "By the way, it's a good job there weren't any sharks here today." Oh, can you see something? I can. Oh, uh-oh. A shark. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you soon. Bye.